This is our Accelerations Preschool Readiness Kit. It's great for children 3 and above and helps them develop the skills that they need for a successful preschool experience. Now, preschool is a lot of fun, so all of these materials we want the child to be able to take on the go, and when they get to carry their stuff, they feel that independence and confidence and that feeling of readiness for school. It comes in a clear vinyl backpack to help keep all of the materials organized and together, which is an easy carry piece for a 3-year-old or above. The kit features these bilingual activity cards with a family letter and the Spanish on the back, and it also will walk you through cross-curricular activities in language and literacy, math, science, social emotional learning, and active play, or developing those gross motor skills. So I'd love to show you some of the items in this kit. Our first is a spatial relations set, where students will use cards to talk about how items are related in a certain space or plane. So here they would say a boy is in front of a fence or in front of a house. The next item in this kit is our How Am I Feeling Today activity set. And this is a way of exploring feelings and facial expressions, the ones we make and the ones we see in others. So it comes with a face that has a mirror base, so students can actually see what their face looks like when they make those facial expressions. And the children can also see what other faces might look like by using these acetates and placing different emotions on the base. So that's a fun way to learn about emotions and expressing them, and also how to read them. The kit also includes a journal where students can write using their washable chubby marker set. They can write stories, they can do letters, they can draw pictures. Whatever level they're on, this is the perfect journal for them. You can use it to write science observations or draw what the grass looks like. You can use it to try your letters. You can use it to even trace these self-adhesive uppercase foam letters. So students can use that in whatever way they see fit for any of these subjects. The kit also includes a set of mini binoculars and a chunky magnet set, so they can start to learn about science and how things work in our natural world. It's a lot of fun. For active play, students are just getting those gross motor skills going and learning how to work with others. So this mini parachute for 2 has handles for 2 children to work together and 2 bean bags that they can make go up in the air. And they learn what they do when they coordinate together. So this kit has a lot of information for parents. It has a lot of fun activities for kids to get them learning and playing. It comes in this backpack, which is so great for on the go. Anytime you're traveling or waiting, this is the perfect piece for you. And it's also wipe clean, which don't we need that these days. So the cards and the bag, whenever you need to, just wipe them down and it's good to go again. So let's get those kids set up for a successful preschool experience and enjoy this kit.